Look, after watching this video, you'll never again say that girls are hard to understand. We're about to reveal 3 female psychology secrets that most men never realize. Don't skip the third, most guys miss it and regret it for life. Secret number 1. The science of she actually likes you. Girls often feel deeply before saying, I love you. But if you pay close attention, you'll find subtle, unspoken signals in their behavior that can help you know whether she truly likes you. If she remembers the tiniest details about you, like your favorite snack, your cousin's name, who you had an argument with, or even an old, silly story you casually mentioned, that's not just good memory. It's her emotions showing how much she genuinely cares. And when a girl starts saying things like, don't drink, quit smoking, that shirt doesn't suit you, or she tries to help improve your bad habits, these are all clear signals that she's interested in you and wants to make you the best version of yourself. If she also takes interest in your family, asks about them, or shows concern in her words, it's a sign she's getting emotionally connected to your world. So if you spot all these signs in a girl, trust me, she truly likes you. Secret number 2. The silent green flag, hair Washington. We bet you've never heard this secret before, because most boys completely miss it. For girls, washing hair isn't just hygiene, it's an event. It involves shampooing, conditioning, drying, and styling. It takes time, effort, and planning. That's why girls usually wash their hair before important outings or special occasions. So if a girl washes her hair every time before meeting you, that's a silent green flag. Just observe. Did she shampoo and style her hair? If yes, it's because she wants to look her best in front of you, hoping you'll notice and appreciate her. Girls don't put in this much effort for just any casual guy. She does this only if she genuinely likes you. So next time, when you notice her freshly washed and styled hair, give her a compliment, because you'll be noticing what most guys ignore. Secret number 3. Alpha outside, soft inside, that's what she remembers. Remember when we told you not to skip this part? This is that moment. Do you know what truly attracts a girl? A guy who is alpha to the world but soft for her. Just like in movies, you'll see a tough, gangster-type guy who is full of attitude, but turns silent with just one scolding from his favorite girl. That's not fiction. That's real psychology. Yes, you may be physically strong, assertive, or dominant, but if you become soft for that one girl, if you listen to her and smile even when she teases or scolds you lightly, she'll feel truly special. She'll even show off to her friends. Be alpha in the world, but let her see the soft side. That's not weakness. That's emotional strength. If you found this video valuable, like, subscribe, and turn on bell icon.